Hi, it's Valerie with Tempost Cells, and I haven't done a video for a while because there really hasn't been that much to report. My sales have been okay. I didn't make my goal for the month, but they've been okay. They've been enough to keep me afloat, and I just keep, socking away the profit because when we open up again, I'm going to go hog wild at the thrift store. But I'm waiting for a shipment to come in. It's been like 2.5, 3 weeks since I've ordered. So hopefully it'll come in this week and we'll have an unboxing video for you. But until then, I thought, let's do a what sold video. So this is what sold this weekend from today is Sunday, and this is what's sold so far since Friday evening. Let's just pop right on into it, and you can spend all the time admiring my lovely roots. They're awesome. Anyway, let's just get started before I ramble on, because one of the first things that sold this week was this Spanx bralette, which is new with tags, and the price on it is $48. I don't know why I thought it was more than that. Anyway, I think I listed it for like 34 or something and took an offer of 28. Actually, they made an offer of 20 and I countered with 28. I've started to list my new with tags items as somewhere around 20 to 50% off of the list price, and then we can bargain off of that. But yeah, it's new with tags, and it's in beautiful condition, so I was pleased with that. Another thing that sold were these Vans. I don't remember the price, but these are older Vans. I think there's the little thing in there, and they've got the brown soles. So those sold off of Poshmark. The Spanx sold off of Poshmark. I also sold this kale, this kale shirt. I got this at the thrift store. Oh, is that a tear? No. I got this from the thrift store and it was super cheap. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have bought it. It was Bin's price cheap. I think they were 5 for 50 cents or something. Yeah. So also, I believe these sold, I have them cross-listed. I can't remember if they sold off of Poshmark or eBay, but these are girls' some sort of training shoe. I looked it up and it's in the listing, but I can't remember what kind of training shoe it is. Oh, the kale shirt sold off of Mercari. I also sold this little kitty cat Sip and Swell. Or Sip by Swell. This we saw in the bulk unboxing video, and I'll just put that right there. And finally, and I've messed it up, so I have to clean it, is I sold this dust ruffle for a twin, I think it's a twin trundle or something, and I put a stain on here. No, but where did I put it? Where'd it go? And now I have to get that out before I ship it. And I can't just throw it in the wash because it's brand new. It still has the sizing in it. So I sprayed some cleaner on it. Wait, maybe it worked. Maybe it just cleaned everything. Oh, there it is. I spilled something on it, a big red stain. So I have to get that out before I ship that tomorrow. And basically that's it. That's what sold. Not gangbusters, and but I'm grateful enough, during this crazy season to have those sales, and like I said, just socking away the profit and waiting until we have the next open day, which for us in Georgia, it appears it will be late to mid-May, maybe June. So yeah, we're revisiting that in a couple of weeks because Georgia has decided to reopen, and so we'll see how well we do with our numbers. So hopefully we get the all clear, and I will probably not be sourcing until at least the first week of May. Because, and the reason I'm going to do that is the reason I might do that, I haven't decided, is I have one little thrift store that whenever I go to it, it is never crowded. And I've been to it all sorts of days, all types of times, and they move a lot of merchandise. And I have seen people in there, but they tend to be in the furniture area and not in the clothing area. And so yeah, I think I might go there and take a risk and see. And usually if I go anywhere and I get there and there's too many cars in the lot, I just don't go in. So at the very least, it'll be a nice drive. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'm sorry there's not a lot of content from me right now.